Hello, Tab Nation. It's your boy Tom, and today we're doing kind of a showcase video. Recently, I had someone who shared a script with me. FYI, if you guys have some really cool scripts that you find useful that others might find cool, definitely email me. You can go to my About tab on my channel, and it has the ways to contact me there. And so he reached out, and basically what he does is he does bowling videos on his YouTube channel, but they're mostly kind of like his own little private thing. But he created this HK script that I think is really good to show how easy AutoHotkey's scripts can be, because he is going to be upgrading his script probably to use like comms and stuff in Excel. But it's really cool with what he did with just literally using like send and clicks to gather the information that he needs, and then to take all these images. I mean, we're talking hundreds of images that he can gather in like just a few minutes automatically, and then it combines them into what looks like, you know, when you go bowling, like the score up on the board, and it does the calculations, all that. But it's such a good script because he just used one of the literally like the simplest code, which just sends, clicks, stuff like that, some calculations. But it just shows how powerful HK can be. So he actually did a video that he sent to me that I could use. I then went on his channel to grab just kind of like a clip of the GUI that he created with the stuff he did, gathered and calculated, and that way you can kind of see just how it's really working. So yeah, hopefully you guys find this as cool as I did, just for how simple it was, but how powerful and useful it was. So enjoy his video, followed by the clip of it being showcased in his channel. And also I'll link in the description below if you want to watch the full video on his channel. Have a good one.
I wanted to share a project that I've been working on. Maybe someone will find some inspiration from it and tackle a similar project themselves. Or maybe someone will take what I've done so far and expand on it. This project started out as a somewhat simple way to overlay scores onto videos I'd recorded myself bowling. However, it has gotten a little more complex as time has gone on, so I wanted to share the progress I've made so far. The first version of my spreadsheet was pretty simple. I would crop out the images for each bowling frame and overlay them onto my videos. Although this was simple, it was very time-consuming to crop and save the multiple images. In the next version, I added 4 panel panes so the score would take up less real estate, while providing a running tally in a corner of the video. When I started recording my league sessions, I added session stats to post at the end of each video. There are hidden formulas on the page that calculate each of the statistics. I added a split frame indicator in order to calculate some of the stats. At this point, I was still cropping and saving images manually. I wanted to make the process quicker, so I added an input page that would allow me to cut and paste my scores from the email that I would receive from the bowling center. Those scores are linked to the first page of the worksheet, which are also linked to the page with the 4 panel score panes. This is also when I began to automate more of the process so that I wouldn't have to spend a lot of time manually cropping and saving images. I used 3 applications to help automate the bulk of generating images: Greenshot to capture screenshots, XNView to edit the screenshots, and AutoHotkey to run a script that would do the bulk of the automation. Next, I added another panel that calculates my season statistics across both of the leagues that I bowl in, so that I can also post it at the end of each of my league session video recaps. At this point, I was using the applications that I mentioned earlier to create every possible iteration of the bowling score sheet. Then I would sift through the images and delete the ones that I didn't need. This took a lot less time than manually capturing the images myself, but it was still a little tedious. I then made tweaks to the spreadsheet that linked the 4 panel score panes to the split frame indicators, so any split frames automatically appear in red. I also made certain statistics appear in red that are below specific goals I've set for myself. Finally, I completely automated the generating and collecting of score panel images that I need for my videos. Here is a demonstration of that process. What's going on, if it isn't obvious, is that 2 images were captured from Excel. One image consists of all the score panes, and the other image is of both sets of statistics. I initially captured each score pane and stats image separately. However, I save about 20 or so seconds by only capturing 2 images instead of 34. I've sped up this part to make the video shorter, but what's happening is every possible variation of the bowling score is being generated and saved. The way bowling scores are calculated, the totals in each frame are based on what happened in the previous 2 frames. This is why all variations of the score have to be created. When I was manually capturing images, I would only create the versions of the score that I needed. However, it's much faster this way, even though more than 100 images will be generated and saved that I won't need. More specifically, 222 score panels and 2 statistics images will be generated and saved. However, only about 80 of the score panels, along with the 2 statistics images, will need to be kept. As mentioned earlier, when the image collection process is done, I would sift through all the images and filter out the ones that aren't needed. However, I've figured out how to automate the sifting and filtering process as well. Once all the score variations are saved, a command prompt will open. A new folder will be created and only the needed images will be copied into the folder. This happens pretty quickly after the last stats image is cropped and saved. When you see a command prompt briefly appear on the screen, this is what will be happening. Although the script takes about 5 minutes to complete in this video, I can reliably run the script in under 3 minutes and 45 seconds if I'm not screen recording and I don't have Windows Explorer open to render a thumbnail for each image as it's created. These are the 224 images that were created and the folder with the 80 images that will be kept. These are the final images that will be overlaid onto my bowling videos. I will leave links in the description to where you can download the applications that were previously mentioned. I will also leave a link to one of my league recaps so that you can see how the images look on a video. If anyone has any questions, please leave them in the comments. If I can't answer it, I will do my best to point you in the right direction. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.